Bruce Lee said, "Empty your mind. Be shapeless, formless, like water. When you pour water into a cup, it becomes the cup. When you pour water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. When you pour it into a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Water can flow, or it can crash. So be like water, my friend." Nestled on the edge of a peaceful village, a man named Oliver was well known for his calm demeanor and profound wisdom. Whenever the townspeople faced difficult times, they sought his advice, and he always told them to empty their mind. One breezy autumn day, a young woman named Amelia approached Oliver with eyes that reflected the internal turmoil she was going through. She explained how the weight of expectations and the chaos of thoughts had become overwhelming, leaving her spirit lost and confused. In his humble cottage, Oliver invited Amelia to sit amidst the soft, flickering light of candles. He encouraged her to close her eyes and take a deep breath, guiding her towards mindfulness. "Empty your mind," he whispered gently, like a breeze. As Amelia surrendered to the stillness, a profound transformation began. The cluttered corridors of her mind slowly cleared, making way for a sense of peace she had long forgotten. With Oliver's guidance, she released the thoughts that had held her captive, allowing her to float in the tranquility of the present moment. Amelia felt light as a feather, her mind calm like a serene lake. Sensing her newfound peace, Oliver began to share a parable passed down through generations in the village. Oliver began telling a story about a wise old owl that lived in a dense forest. The owl could see the world clearly, without preconceived notions or judgments. Animals from all over the forest sought the owl's guidance, wondering how it remained calm amidst all the chaos. Amelia listened carefully, absorbing the wisdom in Oliver's tale. According to the story, the owl had learned to empty its mind and let go of the constant chatter, judgments, and expectations that cluttered its thoughts. Amelia was intrigued and asked Oliver how the owl achieved such a state. He replied that, like Amelia, the owl had embraced the power of stillness. The owl found clarity by appreciating each moment without worrying about the past or future, and its wisdom became a guiding light for the entire forest. Inspired by the tale, Amelia embarked on emptying her mind. Guided by Oliver, she practiced mindfulness and learned to observe her thoughts without attachment. Over time, the turbulence within her mind subsided, replaced by a gentle breeze of self-awareness. As weeks turned into months, the transformation within Amelia became evident. She looked more peaceful, and the villagers marveled at the newfound calm that radiated from her being. Amelia started to share the knowledge she had gained with others in the village. She talked about the importance of clearing the mind and seeking comfort in the simplicity of every breath. The once chaotic and tumultuous life of the village was replaced with a sense of tranquility as Amelia's newfound wisdom touched the lives of those around her. Oliver was content with the positive impact of his teachings as he continued guiding others towards the path of mental clarity. If you have ever experienced stress, you might have observed that the same thoughts keep repeating in your head, leading to an unending loop of worry. This thought pattern not only fails to resolve the problems at hand, but it can also disrupt healthy habits that can help you achieve inner peace, such as getting a good night's sleep. Frequently replaying the same thoughts in your mind is referred to as rumination. Studies have shown that this habit can be detrimental in numerous ways. Therefore, it's crucial to learn how to break free from this negative pattern of thoughts. To empty your mind, as per the definition in the dictionary, is to attempt to think about nothing consciously. This involves deliberately curbing the continuous flow of thoughts that occupy our minds daily. Once you develop the habit of clearing your mind, your brain will gradually adjust to accommodating fewer thoughts per minute instead of mechanically replacing one thought with another. To empty your mind is to release what's taking precious space in your mind and heart that's not serving you. Once you process what's on your mind, you gain perspective. You act when needed, from clarity and truth. You no longer feed the loop. Please close your eyes and take a few long, deep breaths. Focus on your breath entering and leaving your body. Feel your feet connecting to the ground. Concentrate on those sensations. Now, picture yourself floating amongst the clouds. If any thoughts come to mind, let them drift past like clouds. Do you feel a little better, calmer? Remember to practice mindfulness on a daily basis to help clear your mind and improve your focus. Mindfulness involves focusing your attention on the present task and allowing all other thoughts to come and go without judgment. Observe your thoughts and feelings as if you are an outsider in your own mind, and then release them. Pay attention to what you are currently doing instead. Real transformation occurs when you recognize that at the very core of your being lies an emptiness. This emptiness transcends all thoughts, feelings, and emotions. It is an emptiness that is filled with infinite possibilities, love, and creativity. It can be molded into any shape or size you desire. It is a vibrant emptiness that is full of life. When your thoughts become jumbled, or you cannot stop worrying about a problem or fear, try distracting yourself. Studies have shown that the brain can only focus on one thing at a time. This is the quickest way to clear your mind and regain control. Meditation can be challenging, especially when you try to silence your thoughts. Instead of fighting them, just pay attention to them. Allow them to come and go, but don't get involved with them. Listen to them as they appear, without any reaction. Over time, your thoughts will realize that you're not giving them attention, and they will stop interfering with your meditation. When you're feeling stressed, reading a book can be a great way to clear your mind. Books offer a form of escape that doesn't require physically leaving your current environment. By immersing yourself in a different world through reading, you can effectively escape from the stressors of your daily life. We believe this story can help clear your mind and achieve your goals. For more inspiring videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.